The project, Bridging Europe and Africa, a social initiative, was organized by the Youth Association from Transylvania, a Romanian NGO which was in partnership with organizations from Portugal, Benin and Cabo Verde. It was a capacity-building project in the field of youth financed by the European Commission through the executive agency of the Erasmus Program. It lasted for 20 months and it was organized between November 2015 and July 2017. The main objective of the project were empowering youth workers, developing project management skills, and promoting intercultural dialogue and solidarity between European and African countries. The project was centered on various mobilities between Europe and Africa, but the initial plan was changed during the implementation because challenges arose in getting visa approved for African citizens. The first mobility was a workshop in Portugal organized in the beginning of 2016. It was about project management, non-formal education, and information communication technologies. It hosted 12 European and 5 Cabo Verdean youth workers. The second set of meetings was done in parallel in June 2016. One was in Benin and one in Cabo Verde, and it was meant to prepare European voluntary service and job shadowing mobilities. What followed was a 3-week-long job shadowing implemented by a Romanian and a Portuguese youth worker in Benin in September 2016. It focused on strengthening partnerships. Another 3-week-long job shadowing was carried out by 2 Romanian youth workers in Benin in January 2016. Its main objective was charity and capacity building. The most important mobilities were the 2 parallel European voluntary services. One was a 7-month-long EVS project done by 4 Portuguese volunteers in Cabo Verde. It started in September 2016 and ended in April 2017. There, the volunteers collaborated with schools and offered non-formal education to kids and youth with fewer opportunities. They also organized countless free-time alternatives, mainly with cultural, environmental and ecological activities for at-risk youth. In parallel with this, there was a 6-month-long EVS project done by 3 Romanian volunteers in Benin. It started in September 2016 and ended in March 2017. There, 2 midwives helped in a clinic by assisting pregnant women, births and newborn and advising the local staff. A social worker was also on hand, offering non-formal education activities for teaching English and handicrafts to children born at the clinic, but mainly to children and youth learning in the public and private kindergartens, primary schools and secondary schools.
Very good! Here's the wall.
Here's the wall.
Here's the window.
Here's the window.
And here is the door. We are volunteers in Africa.
All these mobilities were concluded by a follow-up meeting done in Cabo Verde. As a result of this project, all 4 partners and their communities developed themselves in terms of project management and implementing social activities with a non-formal educational approach. Also, a lot of know-how has been transferred from European to African communities connected to these topics. In terms of outreach, we exceeded our original plans manifold, especially by entering into direct contact with and helping more than 5,000 children and youth with non-formal and environmental activities and with charity and fundraising initiatives. Another 10,000 community members were reached across the 2 continents through dissemination events and the spreading of project results and tools. The project, Bridging Europe and Africa, a social initiative, ended with a huge success. And to top it all off, we are already continuing our collaboration with these and many new partners.
At the end, you know, stay okay.
Okay.
If you have the end, you know, stay okay.
Okay.